Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 13th till the 19th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly put yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Ace of Wands. So Libra, this is somebody who can be a new person and who is feeling like a strong kind of attraction towards you. For some of you, it's like passion reignited between you and your person. This person is feeling very physically attracted to you, very physically infatuated to you right now at this present moment. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Wands as their feelings for you for the situation, Libra. We have the Fool card, the King of Wands, and the Six of Swords. Yes, this person is feeling like taking a leap of faith with the universe, starting or restarting something brand new with you, and moving on towards calmer water, meaning finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in this situation. For some of you, if you are a couple who is trying to get pregnant or something, there are good chances of that also, and they are feeling ready to have that kind of taking a leap of faith with you. So this is somebody who is very infatuated to you, very attracted to you. They feel like taking the risk of moving forward with you. For some of you, taking the next step with you if you guys are already married or committed to each other, and definitely finding peaceful solution to the problems that you guys are facing in this situation with each other. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Let's see what we have. We have the Fool card. From your side, you feel like taking the leap of faith with the universe, taking some kind of risk here, jumping into the unknown. You feel like jumping into the unknown, and let's see what is going to happen next in a situation. It might be a fairly new situation, or you guys are connecting with each other after a very long period of time, and you guys are not able to understand each other's energies, but both of you are feeling the butterflies in the stomach, and both of you are feeling the energy of, okay, let's do it and let's see what can happen. Let's clarify the Fool as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Libra. I have the Ace of Swords, the Strength card, the Four of Cups. Yes, you feel like keeping things very crystal clear. You feel like having the proper clarity and understanding of what's going on and what's going to happen next. But at the same time, you are feeling like, even if you feel like you should move forward, take a leap of faith with this person, you are not fully into the situation, even if you feel like involving yourself fully into the situation, because you are scared of the consequences, you are scared of getting hurt, you are scared of getting disappointed. Now, it might sound bizarre. For some of you, it's also possible that you are ready to take your situation forward with somebody, and there is someone also in the mix that you are still missing, or you still feel their absence in your life. Okay, and you feel like that person should be with you, or that kind of person should be with you, but you have another energy that you are dealing with and moving forward with. Okay, there is passion, there is desire, there is this energy of wanting to move forward, and then there is this feeling of disappointment over something or someone that you are leaving behind or left behind, and you still miss them. Okay, take it how it resonates with you and leave the other portion. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Queen of Pentacles. Their intention here is to have a grounded, mature, and stable kind of energy exchange between you and them. This person wants to share a very mature, very grounded, very practical kind of compassionate kind of energies with you. Right? There is no ifs and buts and this and that, and there is no unclear, unsure energies. Very grounded, very mature, very practical with compassion. Okay. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. We have the Sun card, the Seven of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles, right? They want to make it very very clear from their side that this much time, efforts, and energy they can put into the situation, and they are not going to go beyond a certain limit. They are not going to cross a limit or cross a boundary or something. They might be having some kind of situation that they have to respect in their life. Okay, so there are certain kind of you can say terms and conditions or boundaries that this person have to follow in order to be with you, and they want to make it very very clear to you that this is something that I cannot cross, this boundary, this term or condition. Or maybe they are connected to something else or someone else on a deeper level, and that particular situation is very important for them, but they want to continue with you also, or they want to go ahead with you also. So they want to keep things very very crystal clear, very very sorted, very very practical. There is no room for any kind of mystery or secret or any kind of energy of, okay, you didn't told me that, you didn't told me that. So they want to keep things very very practical, very sorted, very clear, very happy go lucky, and there are certain things that they want to tell you about. They don't want to cross the limits or cross that energy or cross that boundary that they have regarding other person or other situation that they're dealing with in their life. Now the other person can represent a family, it can represent a business, it can represent another romantic person, or maybe they are married to somebody else. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the situations. If it is not resonating, it's not yours, honey. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Eight of Pentacles. From your side, this you just want to put in the effort and energy in the right direction, step by step. You don't want to be in this rushing towards anything or anyone kind of energy. You want to take your life or take this situation very very slowly but surely towards growth and expansion. Okay, towards the kind of happiness that you're wanting from the situation. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. But you want to make sure that you're putting in the effort and energy into something where you are going to get good results at the end of the day, and it's not going to disappoint you. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles as your intentions here. Yeah, I have the Two of Cups and the Six of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. This situation, this person, this bond is very very important for you. You want to maintain the balance in the situation. You want to have equal give and take of energy in the situation. If you guys are not together with this person, let's say physically, you guys want to have this reconciliation with this person, and you want to make sure that whatever you are feeling or whatever energy and efforts you are putting into the situation, you are getting the equal investment and results from the other side also. Then only you want to put in the effort and energy into a situation. So there are very high chances that you're dealing with other people too in your individual lives, and you're dealing with this situation too. It seems like a situation where you were together at some point of time, and then you lost touch or something, and now you are coming together as a teamwork, as a couple, you can say. But there are other responsibilities or other people involved in the situation that you guys can't deny, both of you, right? But at least one of you is definitely having something else, someone else going on in their life that they can't leave for this situation, but they want to participate in the situation. From your side, you want to make sure whatever you are investing in and interested in, you are going to get the same kind of energies from the other side too. That's what your energies are, intentions are. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 19th of July, Libra. We have the Knight of Swords. Sudden unexpected communication or changes, or out of the blue, something is going to be revealed to you. Something is going to be like, oh my god, it's happening. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords as the potential outcome for you guys, Libra. I have the Page of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Empress. Yes, somebody is going to be rushing towards you. For some of you who are looking to get pregnant or something, there is a news of pregnancy on the way for you guys very, very soon if you haven't already received that. For others of you, if you are in a connection where you might get pregnant and you don't want to take care of that. Third thing, the outcome here represents somebody rushing towards you, coming towards you, suddenly, unexpectedly, out of the blue. They don't even know what to say, how to express, and how to proceed further in this situation. but they are going to make sure that you know that they want to see a future with you. They want to have a good future with you, growth and expansion and happiness. Now, I don't know if you guys are capable of getting married or getting settled with each other, but this is somebody, even if circumstances are like you are with other people too, this is somebody who is interested in being with you. They might not be able to express it to you fully or tell you, properly what they want or what they're looking forward to have, but they're going to make sure that you know that they're looking forward to have a long term partnership, a long term deal with you. Okay, and it's going to be very sudden, very unexpected, and very much out of the blue. Okay, you will be surprised and kind of shocked by the way they are going to, represent themselves in this situation. Like, okay, I want long term, I want something solid, I want something that I can rely on for maybe the rest of my life. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra, for this situation. I have the Judgment card, the Moon card, and the Nine of Cups. Yes. This uncertainty, these mysterious and secretive energies that you guys are dealing with in the situation, and you are ignoring them or avoiding them, and it's making you feel like, yeah, you're on the right track, everything is good, everything is happy go lucky, everything is sorting itself out. No, everything should be crystal clear. Every hidden thing, every secretive mysterious thing, everything should be properly explained, properly revealed, properly talked about and followed. Then only it's going to be a real happiness that you guys are looking forward to have. If you guys are going to continuously be in this energy of whatever is happening, I'm releasing it to the universe, I'm surrendering to the divine, without working on the root cause of the issues that keeps on popping up in the situation again and again and again, you cannot make this situation a happy go lucky or wish fulfillment kind of energy that the way you guys want it. It's as simple as that. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. The answer to your question is no. It's a full fledged no, so I don't have to explain or say anything. This is what it is. Yep. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.